In straight 89 days I'm active here in this website. As you see here, this is you have been active for 89 days in a row. So just because of that, my loyalty bonus is 89 percentage. So well, it's remaining, it's only 11 days, and then I will be got 100% loyalty bonus. So what exactly the loyalty bonus, I can show you here in this Cointiply website, where they offer us on free Bitcoin instead of other altcoins or cryptocurrencies. Like you see here, this is the just withdraw method. Here they offer us, currently they offer Bitcoin wallet, Doge wallet. If you want to withdraw Bitcoin, then you need minimum 50,000 coins. If you want to Dogecoin withdraw, you need a minimum 30,000 coins. If you want to Dash withdraw, you need a 30,000. And of course, LTC, that is the Litecoin, then you also need a 30,000 coins to withdraw minimum. So well, back to the point, here is the roll the faucet, which is hourly they give us some kind of the coins, and here are the list of numbers. If this number comes between of that 1 to 5, whatever it's the number, like 1 to up to 99,998, so as per the list they give us a coins. So let's check it out. And well, before type here my answer, I need to show you here, this is my current balance, that is the 29,983. So I just need a few of coins to complete my 3,000 coins, sorry, 30,000 coins. So well, and I'm damn sure this time I will be got minimum 15 coins, because 15 coins they definitely got if I whatever it's rolling here. And if it like this, so my including this bonus, you can see here. So I'm just hitting the press button here, the submit captcha. Wow, here is the 25 coins I won. But the loyalty bonus, as you see here, this is the 89%. And I'm scrolling down here, you see here you earn 22 coins, you earn a loyalty bonus, that is the 22 coins is the loyalty bonus, and here the 25 coins, that is the main faucet. Okay, a few seconds ago. So that's how we earn here a coin, and now we got a 30,000 coins. So whatever we, I mean, if we want to withdraw, then we can withdraw amount except Bitcoin. So well, I currently don't want to withdraw, but the thing is, that's how the Cointiply website works. So if you have a free time, then just come and complete kind of the surveys, visit ads, roll the faucet, refer some users, play the games, play the multiplayer game, and many options are here. So well, if you like this video, then like it, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me. Bye bye. Take care.